Okay, we're going to show you how to install the Racespec Sur Ron Ultimate bash plate. So here's the original aluminium bash plate that's taken a good hit, and here's the Sur Ron Racespec Ultimate HDPE. Much stronger, very quick to install, should only take a couple of minutes. So first start on the high power side. Line up by sight the hole. Finger tight. Knit a 5mm Allen key. Just do a couple of turns. Go around the other side. Lift into place. Tighten up a little bit. Once you've got them in finger tight, then you can do them up tighter. Go back to the other side. Don't over tighten them. Just do them up, nip them up, and check. And check. There you have it. Quick fitment, super strong.